Welcome to the Foundation Infrastructure Working Group. Yeah, let's start. Hi, Blake. I think we never met. Is there a particular topic you want to discuss, or are you just here to enjoy the, I don't know, the content?
Oh no, I've been bouncing around the repos a bit. I'm the guy that's under B Lyles. I'm the one that has been putting in the PRs for all the GP3 types. So I thought I'd jump in and
I see.
see what's going on.
Thanks for all the PRs.
Yeah, thanks.
Yeah, I mean, I know this is the Foundational Infrastructure Working Group, and there's a lot of areas that are technically part of this working group, but the focus is mainly on the Bosch side, because that's where I have most context on, and the other areas aren't as active. UAA is becoming more active. So we want to do something where we maybe like around like CFD in Heidelberg in a few weeks. We might be able to do something with the community there. Will you also be going to CFD? Okay, no response. Let's see. Yes, this PR just came in. I looked at it. Looks good. Just need a second review, and then this can be merged. It's adding support for tags on instance groups, which I think is a nice feature, and I like this PR better than the previous one, which tried to do it through ENV Bosch, which is not as nice. The code is also much cleaner on this one. So yeah, happy with this one. But it's still waiting for another review. This discussion, I mean, I updated this last week with the stuff we discussed in the working group, where we where we want this to be solved in a different way. Basically, the agent should take a property, and then the stem cell builder should configure that property per IS. Yeah, this is the one we're not gonna do, but let's wait for the other one to be merged so we can close this one out. Add some reviewers. Yeah, this looks like tech debt, fixing tech debt.
Yeah, seems simple.
Yeah, just needs to be reviewed.
Yeah, I already responded on it.
What's the problem here? Oh, this is Bosch bootloader, okay. And then file changes. But then like he made a new PR and closed this one.
Someone made a new PR.
No, it's the same person.
Yeah, and that's why please provide some description and that we rely on his expertise because we cannot change anything.
Yeah, it makes sense. But I'm still gonna assign reviewers. I mean, I think you want to look at this, right? Oh, no, not RAM. Come on. And someone can get a random person from life cycle. Okay. Yeah, so this one is closed already, right? So why is it still here?
Probably because it needs to be updated.
Oh, interesting.
GitHub down again.
No, GitHub doesn't like, I don't know what they did, but they don't support deep links anymore if you link to like a specific tab. So this URL, it updates the URL, but if you go to this URL, it doesn't work.
Okay.
I think it's a feature.
But we're now in UAA. We don't have
Yes.
anything.
Yes.
Then I have for the remove blob store info from IS metadata.
But this one we can just, this close, right? Yeah, it is already closed.
This will probably update on the next cycle.
No,
Right?
no, because that the state should be like, I mean, we
Oh.
can just archive it. Yes, we're just gonna archive this and be done with it. Yeah, so this one pending review. This is the last one.
Yeah, so VirtualBox
Nice.
and probably AliExpress.
Ali Cloud.
AliExpress, AliCloud. Uses Bosch CPI under it. Bosch CPI has not been updated in 2 years. And it did not have the it was still using the blob store options.
I see. Yeah, so this is the long tail of that change that happened a while back.
Yes. So when I tested this, so basically what I did was
You also said,
and after this, once we merge this, then we can update the VirtualBox to the new gem, to the latest commit. And then we can release a new VirtualBox and issue of a few people are solved.
That's good.
Oh yeah, let Dimitri do it. Git repo.
I mean, okay, so apparently Dimitri still has access.
Yeah.
Okay. Not gonna do that now. It's interesting because he shouldn't.
But
it doesn't
CPI
matter.
Go is a bit weird.
Yeah, but I think it's managed by our working group. It's just that I think that there's like leftover individual maintainers on it or something.
Yeah, could be. Oh yeah. See, Warden, VirtualBox, Docker, and Kubernetes are using the CPI. So everyone
Kubernetes CPI.
Everyone who is using this basically, didn't know we had a Bosch Kubernetes CPI. It's ancient,
Nice.
nobody uses it, so I don't care about it.
Many iterations of that. That was like 5 years ago. I mean, that was when all that stuff started.
When shit hits the fan.
Okay. But this one now has reviewers assigned, so I see Benjamin is there. Probably is not gonna look at it. I will look at it myself.
Yeah, if we can hurry that a little bit up.
Yes, I will do it after this call. So I keep it open.
Yeah, as long as it's before the end.
I have to, because otherwise I forget other stuff.
Yeah, so before it swallowed every error, and now someone is complaining that he can see the errors, but they're not properly properly colored, or no, there's an add buffer issue. So there is not an exact transformation from this bytes to string, probably. I don't
I
know.
see.
Although we see an error, but it's just not in the FMT error.
Is it the stuff we changed like last time?
Yes, fix
Oh,
the bug.
that's-
I was following everything.
Yeah.
So yeah, I don't know. Maybe we should also write a test for it. I don't know.
Yeah,
So-
probably. Like this is
so
easier
for-
to actually like write a test for and then fix, because I don't know where to. It's difficult otherwise to
Yeah, to
test.
true.
I'm gonna mark this as open for contribution, as in like it's nice to have, I guess. Bytes buffer. But this is weird. I thought this showed like we have seen errors there, right? It showed
We
up.
have seen errors there, yeah.
So I don't understand why it works some of the time. It's usually not how Go works.
Because before it was swallowing everything.
So this buffer is basically yeah, so you want to do something like an something like read all. Read all.
And all this stuff is deprecated. I switched it all to IO package.
Oh, is it all in IO now?
Yeah, it's an IO. You have now several packages.
Okay, but that's the idea, right? Like you have an IO reader and you get like bytes out. I think that's what you want.
Yeah, I think it already returns bytes, but I'm not sure.
No, look here at the error. So here you can see it is a buffer object. Right, it's a bytes buffer.
Okay.
And so this buffer implements an IO
IO writer.
Yes, I believe so. But I think you can also like it probably also implements a reader, so you can like just I don't know, something like that. But I don't understand how it has ever worked then.
Well, I think before it swallowed everything, so we didn't even got to see the actual error.
Yeah, I know, but like I know that we paired on this,
now,
right?
now
Because
you get this. Now you get to see the error, but you also
you don't see the error message. But I
because
thought
error
that
is command run, and now we also have c.error buffer. And I think c.error buffer is the one that we see. So C error buffer should basically say what's already in error. So if you go to the Terraform error not correctly displayed My guess is
Yeah, you
that
said,
it's
yeah,
double.
so I mean, the rest should probably have more information. Because you get here exit status 1, which is not that useful, right? So you want standard error to actually see what's going on.
Yeah, but it's probably what's up above for request ID. That's the actual error, and that's probably also going to be
Oh, you
shown.
mean that? Yes.
This is the error that's also in the buffer, I think.
Okay, that could be.
99% sure. So yeah, we should just.
Yeah,
make
so
this
it could be
Python
that you can
buffer
just
strict.
drop it from there. You don't actually need the buffer in there because it's already showing up here.
Yeah, could also be done. Yes. Yeah, we'll take a look.
I'm gonna mark it as. Did I already do that? Yeah, open for contribution. This one has recent-ish activity. This one as well, and the rest is old. Oh, this one has recent activity.
Yeah, that's the one that
Mhm.
needs my PR.
Mhm. Efficient things, sure.
It's like, isn't it just easier instead of writing it in this document to do it directly into?
Yeah, but it was done. Like it was just missed here apparently.
Oh, okay.
There were PRs doing it. So I found this commit, right? That changed it. So it changed it to T3 medium.
Okay.
And then the question is,
T3 A medium. Okay.
E2.
Yeah, you're not Amazon and not in GCP.
Ah, I see. Okay.
E2 medium.
Yeah, I'm totally okay with this. Oh, right. Yeah.
It's the same thing
Yeah.
for the other changes.
Yeah, that's just linking to the comment that I left here, right? Yes. It's fine. And this one we have discussed because that's just this PR. Okay. Any other things people want to discuss?
Is there some things going on with that C group hybrid mode thing? 185.
I asked Amelia, but I don't know if she has responded. Okay, I will ping her directly on Slack. Oh, and I was gonna review a PR, right? Which one was that? This one. Okay. We'll do those things after this call. Anything else? Okay. Thank you all for attending.
Okay. See you later.
Thanks.
See you later. Bye.